What if you could use artificial intelligence to uncover 10 small cap stocks with the potential to turn a few $1,000s into a fortune over the next decade? Well, that's exactly what we did. We asked ChatGPT to analyze industry trends, growth potential, and financials. And now, we're revealing the 10 small cap stocks it says could make you rich by 2035. These aren't your typical stocks. They're under-the-radar companies with explosive potential. If you're serious about building wealth, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future AI-powered investing insights. We want to remind you that this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research or consult a professional before investing. All right, let's jump in. First up on ChatGPT's list of innovative AI companies is Veritone, trading under the ticker symbol VERI. Veritone is a name you might not have heard before, but it's quickly gaining attention in the world of artificial intelligence. This company is on a mission to build what they call an AI operating system, a foundational platform designed to power the next generation of intelligent applications and services across industries. Their flagship platform, AIware, is engineered to process and transform massive amounts of unstructured data, like audio, video, and text, into actionable intelligence that organizations can use to make smarter decisions, automate workflows, and unlock new opportunities. By providing this kind of infrastructure, Veritone is positioning itself as a crucial enabler in the ongoing AI revolution, helping other companies integrate advanced AI capabilities into their own operations without having to build everything from scratch. Their reach is impressive. They serve massive, data-intensive markets like media, government, and legal, where the ability to quickly analyze and act on information is a game-changer. Veritone's software as a service, or SaaS business model, means they generate recurring revenue from subscriptions, which is especially attractive to investors looking for stable, long-term growth. If Veritone succeeds in becoming the go-to AI operating system for enterprises, their market cap could see explosive growth, potentially making them a major force in the tech sector. With its ambitious vision and rapidly evolving technology, Veritone has the potential to help define what the next decade of artificial intelligence looks like, and could be a company to watch as the AI landscape continues to evolve. Today, ChatGPT spotlights Celsius Holdings, ticker symbol CELH, a company that's rapidly making waves in the beverage industry. Once a lesser-known name, Celsius has quickly become a standout player, catching the attention of both Wall Street and everyday consumers alike. As a disruptor in the energy drink market, Celsius has carved out a unique niche. Unlike traditional energy drinks, which often rely on heavy sugar and artificial ingredients, Celsius positions itself as a healthier alternative, appealing to a new generation of consumers who care about what goes into their bodies. The brand markets itself as a fitness drink, resonating strongly with health-conscious individuals, athletes, and busy professionals. Its formula, which boasts no artificial preservatives or sweeteners, has helped Celsius build a loyal following among those seeking clean energy to fuel their active lifestyles. The company's growth has been nothing short of staggering. Over recent years, Celsius has reported triple-digit revenue increases, outpacing many of its competitors and signaling robust demand for its products. Investors have taken notice, driving the stock price to new highs. A pivotal moment came with a key distribution deal with PepsiCo, one of the world's largest beverage companies. This partnership has dramatically expanded Celsius's reach, putting its products on more shelves and into more hands than ever before. The AI sees significant potential in Celsius's ongoing market penetration and ambitious international expansion. The company is actively moving into Europe and Asia, aiming to replicate its US success on a global scale. By tapping into the powerful trend of health and wellness, Celsius offers a clean energy drink that stands out in a crowded market. Influencers and everyday consumers alike are sharing their positive experiences, further boosting the brand's visibility. If Celsius can successfully replicate its US playbook in international markets, the company's growth story may be just beginning. The potential for global expansion is vast, and early signs are promising. Ultimately, investing in Celsius is a bet on a brand that's connecting with a new generation, one that values health, energy, and authenticity. As the world shifts toward better-for-you beverages, Celsius is well-positioned to lead the charge. Evolv Technologies, ticker EVLV, is revolutionizing public security screening. Their product, Evolv Express, uses AI to screen people quickly and efficiently. Deployed in stadiums and schools, the demand for this tech is growing. Evolv's AI-powered approach offers a competitive edge over traditional methods. Their security-as-a-service model provides recurring revenue. As they expand, Evolv is betting on a safer future with intelligent technology. Axcelis Technologies, ticker ACLS, is crucial in semiconductor manufacturing. They specialize in ion implantation, a key process in chip production. Axcelis supplies equipment for automotive and AI data center chips. As demand for these chips grows, so does the need for Axcelis' systems. They're a profitable leader in their niche, benefiting from tech shifts. Axcelis is a quiet powerhouse in the semiconductor boom. Repligen, ticker RGEN, supports biotech with essential manufacturing technologies. They provide equipment for biologic drug production, benefiting from industry growth. Repligen's strategy includes innovation and smart acquisitions. They partner with major pharmaceutical companies, ensuring steady demand. As biotech advances, Repligen's role becomes more critical. They're a high-quality, long-term player in a booming sector. Nano-X Imaging, ticker NNOX, aims to revolutionize medical imaging. Their digital X-ray technology is smaller, cheaper, and safer. Nano-X envisions accessible imaging worldwide, transforming healthcare. While high risk, the potential reward is immense if they succeed. They could democratize medical imaging and dominate the industry. ChatGPT sees their tech leap as a game changer. Global E-Online, ticker GLBE, simplifies international e-commerce. They handle languages, currencies, and logistics for global transactions. Global E enables brands to reach new markets seamlessly. As cross-border e-commerce grows, Global E's role becomes vital. They partner with major brands, aligning their success with clients. The market is expanding rapidly, and Global E is poised to benefit. They're the infrastructure for global online retail. InMode Limited, ticker INMD, offers high-tech aesthetic solutions. Their radio frequency devices provide non-invasive cosmetic treatments. InMode's profitability and recurring revenue model are standout features. They innovate constantly, expanding treatment options and market reach. As demand for non-surgical aesthetics grows, InMode leads the way. They're a cash-generating leader in a growing market. Xponential Fitness, ticker symbol XPOF, stands as a powerhouse in the boutique fitness industry, owning a diverse portfolio of leading fitness brands. From Club Pilates and Pure Barre to Cycle Bar and Stretch Lab, their reach spans a wide spectrum of workout experiences, each catering to different fitness preferences and lifestyles. This diversified model allows Xponential to tap into multiple fitness trends at once, from high-intensity cycling to mindful stretching, effectively reducing business risk by not relying on a single concept. Their brands attract a broad demographic, ensuring steady demand across changing consumer tastes. Xponential's franchise-first approach enables rapid capital-light expansion. By partnering with local entrepreneurs, they can open new studios quickly and efficiently, scaling their presence without heavy upfront investment. The company collects fees and ongoing royalties from franchisees, aligning their financial interests and incentivizing mutual success. This model creates a steady revenue stream while empowering franchise owners to thrive. Xponential's growth avenues are robust, including launching new franchise locations, acquiring promising fitness brands, and expanding their footprint internationally to reach new markets. By integrating technology and offering a range of in-person and digital experiences, they're building a comprehensive fitness ecosystem designed to meet the evolving needs of today's health-conscious consumers. Ultimately, Xponential Fitness represents a bet on a proven, scalable business model and the enduring demand for health, wellness, and community-driven fitness experiences. Vuzix Corporation, ticker VUZI, leads in AR smart glasses for industry. Their glasses enhance productivity in logistics, healthcare, and more. Vuzix bets on the industrial metaverse, offering clear ROI for companies. As AR adoption grows, Vuzix is positioned to capitalize. They're at the forefront of a major technological shift. It's a chance to invest in the next computing platform. There you have it, 10 small cap stocks with potential for massive growth. These picks highlight transformative trends in tech, health, and consumer behavior. Use these insights as a starting point for your investment journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more high-potential stock picks and smart investing strategies. And if you like this video, click on the one now appearing on your screen. It's packed with even more insights to help grow your wealth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.